Good morning, students. In previous video, we have learned some parts of the circle. Today we are learning chapter number 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas and Curves and Types of Curves. Now let's see what is a curve. Curve is an object similar to line which does not have to be straight. मतलब कर्व ऐसा होता है जहाँ पे हम स्ट्रेट लाइन को हम कर्व नहीं बोल सकते. A curve is a line that is not straight. It is smooth and continuous flowing line without any sharp turn. What does it mean? Without any sharp turn. इसे हम क्या कह सकते हैं? Curve. Now we see so many examples in our day-to-day life which shows various types of curves. For example, leaf, necklace, you can see hairband. All these are the examples of the curve. Now let's see some types of the curve. There are 4 types of curve: simple curve, non-simple curve, open curve and closed curve. Let's see what is a simple curve. First is simple curve. If the curve does not cross itself are known as simple curve. If the curve does not cross itself, for example, it is a curve, it is not a straight line, it is curve. If curve does not cross itself, then they are known as simple curve. जो कर्व खुद को क्रॉस नहीं करता, they are known as simple curve. For example, this hairband. ये hairband खुद को क्रॉस कर रहा है? No, it is a curve. It is not a straight line. It is curve और वो खुद को क्रॉस नहीं कर रहा है. It means it is an example of simple curve. You can say it is also simple curve because it do not cross itself. So it is the simple curve. Now let's see what is a non-simple curve. Non-simple curve. Curve that cross itself are known as non-simple curve. जो कर्व खुद को क्रॉस करता है, they are known as non-simple curve. See, this curve cross itself here. इस कर्व ने यहाँ पे खुद को क्या किया है? क्रॉस किया. It means it is an example of non-simple curve. Or you can say it is also an example of non-simple curve because it cross itself. That's why it is known as non-simple curve. Third type is open curve. Let's see what is open curve. An open curve does not enclose any area and मतलब suppose it is our curve. Is it simple curve? Yes. Now listen, what is open curve? जो कर्व कोई एरिया क्लोज नहीं करता. क्लोज मतलब ऐसे. जो कर्व एरिया क्लोज नहीं करता, दे आर नोन एज ओपन कर्व. नाउ रिमेंबर वन थिंग, ओपन कर्व हैज 2 एंड पॉइंट. ओपन कर्व में क्या होते हैं? 2 एंड पॉइंट होते हैं एंड दे आर नोन एज ओपन कर्व. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. You can say this is also an example of open curve because it do not enclose any area and it has 2 end point. जब ये दोनों end point एक दूसरे को joined होते हैं तब हम उसे open curve नहीं कहते. Now it has 2 end point, so we can say it is a open curve. Means simple curve and non-simple curve are known as open curve. For example, this is a belt. This belt has two endpoints, so we can say it is open curve. Okay, we can say it is open curve. If I join this two endpoint, now can we say it is open curve? No, because this curve close an area. This curve close an area, so we cannot say it is a open curve. But when it is open, it has two end points. जब उसको दो end point होते हैं और वो कोई भी area close नहीं करते, then they are known as open curve. Now let's see what is a closed curve. Closed curve has no end point. Closed curve को end point नहीं होते. जैसे open curve में end point होते, वैसे closed curve में end points नहीं होते. And this open curve enclose an area. Closed curve क्या करते हैं? They enclose an area. For example, this build. When I joined these two endpoints. Now how this closed curve form? By joining two endpoints, it forms a closed curve. दो endpoint को join करने से क्या form होता है? Closed curve form होता है. It means this closed curve enclose an area and it has no end point. For example, this bangle. Is there any end point? No. It is totally closed area because it enclosed an area. For example, this circle. For example, one more example. Flower pot. All these are an example of closed curve because they closed area and there are no end point. And these are the example of open curve because they does not enclose area and it has two end point. This is the difference between open curve and closed curve. Thank you.